Your body has, 100 trillion cells in it. Open up any cell, and if you were to unravel the double helix of DNA from one cell, it would be 6 feet tall. Embedded in that DNA is a 4-letter chemical alphabet that spells out the precise assembly instructions for every protein out of which you're made. Just like English uses a 26-letter alphabet to spell out words, DNA uses this 4-letter chemical alphabet to spell out how to build you, how to build the proteins that make you. There are more words in one cell in your body than you would find in 200 years of the Sunday New York Times.
Wow.
Where does that come from? Nature cannot produce information. It can produce patterns. I live in Houston. If I go down to Galveston and the beach and the sand is wet from overnight and there's ripple marks in the sand, it would be logical for me to say the waves made those ripple marks in the sand because nature can make patterns. But if I'm walking down the beach and in the wet sand I see John Loves Mary with a heart around it and an arrow through it, I wouldn't say, oh, the waves made that. Why? Because that's information. And without an exception, whenever we see information, whether it's a painting on a cave wall, whether it's a computer code, whether it's a novel, whenever we see information, there is always an intelligence behind it. Stephen Meyer, with a PhD from Cambridge University on origin of life, interviewed him for my book, Is God Real? And he looks at every alternative explanation. None of them hold water. The only explanation is there must be a creator who, in a sense, signed every cell in our body. He left behind instructions, written instructions, 4-letter chemical alphabet on how to build you. And I think you take those 3 areas of science together, cosmology, physics, biochemistry, they make a really strong case that God is real. Isn't that mind-blowing?
It is.
6 feet of DNA in one cell in your body, and you have, 100 trillion cells or something like that. It's just mind-boggling. And to spell it out with precision, I mean, it's just, the more we study in science, when we learn the universe has an origin, when we learn about the fine-tuning of the universe, it's only in the last 50 years or so we've understood the fine-tuning of the universe. And now we're understanding DNA more and more. We look at all that and we go, how can anybody today deny that there is a supernatural creator? I don't know.